Hello to the WordPress community. The year 2019 has been most memorable for the WordPress Project Manager plugin. The plugin has assisted startups, companies, research, and even enabled remote work. Using the WordPress Project Manager, your projects come to life with more than 10 features such as WooCommerce and Gantt chart. Industries from various walks of life have made use of these features for their projects. Our teams collaborate to guide you and keep the software updated. With more than 10,000 active users, the WordPress Project Manager has gone a long way since it was launched. So please check out the WeDevs website to start your project today.